In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Pages Webflow, quick and easy. We'll move through the process from your Webflow account to removing a specific page, keeping everything clear and safe so you don't accidentally delete something important. If you're following along, make sure you're logged into your Webflow account. Start by heading to your site's area in Webflow. This is where all your projects live. Open the project that contains the page you want to remove and go to its dashboard. From there, choose Open in Webflow to launch the Designer. The Designer is where you can access your site's structure, pages, and content. Once the Designer loads, open the Pages panel. You'll find its icon on the left toolbar. It looks like a small page. This panel lists your static pages like Home or About, as well as utility pages. In the list, locate the page you want to delete. For this walkthrough, we'll use an example page called FAQ and select it so you're looking at the correct item. Taking a second to confirm the page name here helps you avoid deleting the wrong one. Next, open the Pages options. Depending on your view, this may appear as a gear icon or a three-dot menu next to the page name. Click that to reveal the page controls. In the options, look for the Delete action. You might see a trash icon or a clearly labeled Delete button. Click it to begin removal. Webflow will prompt you to confirm. This safeguard is there to prevent accidental deletions, so read the message carefully. If the page is set as your home page or used as a system page, Webflow won't let you remove it until you change that setting. Similarly, if other parts of your site link to this page, consider updating or removing those links to avoid broken navigation. When you're sure you've selected the correct page and you understand the impact, click Delete to confirm. A few quick tips before you finish. If you're uncertain, duplicate the page first so you have a backup you can revert to. Deleting a page in the Designer affects your project immediately, but your live site will reflect the change only after you publish. So once you've cleaned up any links, go ahead and publish your site to push the update live. And remember, you cannot delete the home page. If needed, assign a different page as the home page first, then return and delete the old one. That's it. Fast, clear, and done.